Welcome everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, I do some tutorials, and I give you my thoughts and opinions on products which I have purchased along the way. So, as you guys read from my title, today my Ipsy Glam Bag unpackaging, not unboxing because there's no box, there's a package. So, just as a little rundown, Ipsy Glam Bag is a $12 a month subscription, which includes 5 deluxe size or sample size products. I forgot what the value is supposed to be, but it's not much. But for $12, which includes shipping, it's not bad, honestly. It's a great way to test out new products. Ipsy also gives us the opportunity of doing add-ons at either $3, $12, and this month I noticed that they're now doing the palettes at $18 actually. In the past, the most they used to charge was $12, so that's something new, but I'm not getting them anymore. Anyways, so before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment below what your thoughts are about the items I get in my glam bag. And let's go. This is my November Ipsy Glam Bag. And I was gonna, and just so you guys know, I actually got this on Wednesday earlier in the week, and I had been waiting because I thought I would get my Glam Bag Plus by now, but it's still not here. I checked the tracking again and it's now good, and it just got pushed back again another week, so God knows when this will finally arrive. But at this point I might as well pull this out. So I did make sure to pre-open it because it was stuck on. So I already got one little item. This month Ipsy made a collab with Gigi Gorgeous, and she tends to do a lot of leopard prints and stuff, so, or cheetah print, whatever this is, I already forgot again, which is why we got these bags, which I like it, it's cute. My big Glam Bag Ultimate, I like that bag, it's nice and roomy, so yeah. But since this is our first item, I figured I'll show you guys. They sent me a Moda Pro brush. To find out exactly which Moda brush. So this brush is the Royal and Nickel Moda Pro Glow brush. So this is a small tapered highlight brush. So yeah, definitely. These are the kind of brushes I personally like to use for highlighter as well, because it's more precise and you can just really pack it in without using so much product. It's a very nice dense brush, and I like the bristles as well. So that's a good brush, because I'm pretty sure these are valued anywhere from $8 to $10 a pop. Let's see. So this little item is from Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. Your perfect hair is just a wash away. Protect color, strengthens hair, and shields strands from future damage with the deep conditioning treatment. Oh shit. For a moment, I didn't realize this was a hair mask. So that's actually cool. I definitely need a hair mask because I think I only have one rinse left in the current one that I own. I thought it was a face mask at first. So that's cool. This is from Dome Beauty. This is another blush that they sent me. It's called Cheek Envy in English Rose. Oh goodness. So here's the color. It's a nice warm tone, which might look okay on me. Let me swatch it. Oh, actually, it's not pigmented at all. This is me running it a couple times, like 2-3 swipes. On a single swipe, it doesn't show much. So definitely a shade you could build up. It's not as dark as it looks in the pan, and it's a matte finish, so that's cool. I don't mind shimmering blushes, but I don't like them as often because I have more textured skin, so when it's a shimmery blush, it really emphasizes my texture. And who likes to be showing texture? We want smooth looking skin. And next, I got the DG Gorgeous. It says Turnt Touch Up Powder. So this is a setting powder, I guess. Let me pull this out. Oh my god, it doesn't want to come out. It probably knows I trashed it in the last video. So, gosh. So mine's broken, you guys. Ugh. I don't know if you guys can look at that. Oh man, it was literally just broken in half. Well, according to this, if it would have been properly pressed, all I do is swirl it, and you could use it to set your makeup, or every month there's an issue. So this is to use to set your makeup, or to basically use it as a blotter to fix any shiny spots throughout the day, which actually I was kind of excited to get this because I did need something more compact for my days. My last, oh god, this is so small. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cannabis Oat Dry Oil. I didn't think it was gonna be this small. I might get like a few little drops. It's only like halfway. Oh my goodness. And this is the item I picked. Like seriously, the bottle that was shown looked bigger. It's only 0.15 fluid ounces. Well, I guess that's a sample size item. Safe for sensitive skin type, so that's cool. But anyways, so those are my five little items that I got in my $12 Ipsy Glam bag. Now, what do you guys think of my Ipsy Glam bag? Do you guys think it's worth the $12 a month? Again, they do ship this bag only in the United States and Canada. Sadly, Canadians are not allowed to get the other 2 subscriptions, which I think is a shame because, you know, but anyways, sorry, I thought this video would have gone a little bit better because overall, when I saw my sneak peeks, it looked okay. Kind of shocked that my blush is broken. Thank you guys so very much for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for future uploads. Bye.